we'll guide you through how to deploy your Git projects on Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to vercel.com and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you can easily sign up using your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Once you're logged in, click on the New Project button. This will take you to a page where you can import your Git repository. Choose the Git provider where your project is hosted, for example, GitHub. You might need to authorize Vercel to access your repositories if it's your first time. After authorization, you'll see a list of your repositories. Select the one you want to deploy, then click Import. Vercel will automatically detect the framework your project uses, like Next.js or React, and configure the proper build settings for you. But if you need custom settings, you can adjust the build and output directory options as needed. Once you're ready, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will start the deployment process and you'll see a live log of the build process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on your project's size. When the deployment is complete, you'll receive a live URL where your project is hosted. You can click on the URL to view your deployed project. If you need to make changes, just push updates to your Git repository. Vercel automatically rebuilds and redeploys your project, keeping everything in sync. Don't forget to explore the dashboard where you can manage deployments, view analytics, and configure custom domains. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.